Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and I just put a boatload of money into one project that I've been talking to you guys a lot about on this channel, and it is called STX. I just made a very large investment buying 10,000 STX tokens. Yes, that's a lot of STX tokens. I did invest into these coins because there is something very obvious coming. And I want to share with you guys in this video what's going on with the STX ecosystem, what comes next, and where we are headed for the price action on this token, looking at Bitcoin and looking into the STX ecosystem for some of the tokens within the STX L2 solution on this chain that could have some potential as well. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's talk about this one in this video. Stick around to the end because I want to share with you guys where you can get all these coins and exactly why I'm so excited with specifics. So smash the like, subscribe to the channel. Let's get in. So most important thing coming up, guys, out of the gates, Nakamoto is coming. I've been talking about this. You just need to know that the Nakamoto code is complete. It's done as of July 15th. This was the target date for code completion. That is done. And that means activation is coming at the end of August. Well, what does this mean? It means that the speed of transactions on this network are going to be incredibly fast. What is STX? It's the L2 solution enabling DeFi and a decentralized economy on top of Bitcoin, which, by the way, is doing very well. Actually, I'm going to refresh this price action right here for Bitcoin, which is currently sitting at $67,000, down slightly on the day. Now, I want to highlight, we had a weekly candle close for Bitcoin that was absolutely beautiful. The last weekly candle actually closed green, and we have a new weekly candle that has formed for Bitcoin, but we saw resistance at a very obvious level, a level that I've been talking about for a very long time at the top of this range. We hit $70,000, and what do you know? We hit resistance. Now today, the price of Bitcoin is down, but my senses are tingling, my spidey senses are tingling, and I believe that we are going to get a new high on this asset class very soon because of all the different things that we've seen happen over the last weekend with the Bitcoin Nashville conference, presidential candidates talking about the United States government doing a strategic reserve of this asset class. And not to mention, we are in what we call a bull cycle here in the crypto space. Looking at this overall move for Bitcoin, we've seen historically from the bottom to the top, each move lasts about 1,000 days. You can see right here, about 1,000 days from the bottom to the top. Same was true in this 2015 move all the way to the 2018 highs. And from the bottom of this bear market, if we go out 1,000 days roughly, we're looking at potentially November or October of next year for us to see the highs for this asset class. And Bitcoin, every single bear cycle to bull cycle, does usually break through its previous high and make significant moves to the new highs. Now, STX token has already made a new high, just like Bitcoin did already earlier this year. But since Bitcoin has come down from its highs, the STX token has come down as well quite a bit, giving anybody looking to buy this coin a huge discount of, at this current price, about 50% down from its highs. Now, I just came across a beautiful sum of money from my job, and so I ended up taking the opportunity to buy STX token at $1 and roughly 90 cents. And this coin was at one point to $3.70. It is at an absolutely beautiful discount, and this upgrade is coming. Transactions currently take 15 to 30 minutes. It's going to get a lot easier. So my belief is this. We saw at this Bitcoin conference, there was some of the L2 speakers, right? Munib was at this conference himself. He is the founder, the creator of STX. He was at this conference himself. I did not get to see that speech. Unfortunately, I missed that one, but he was there. Veller, a lot of these other big protocols on Bitcoin were at this conference talking about, the large potential for the future of this. I also want to highlight that 100% of the STX supply is unlocked and liquid. So no massive unlocks in the future. This is very important because there's not going to be new tokens put out into the ecosystem that are going to decrease the value of the existing tokens and of the current price for this token. So as long as Bitcoin breaks to new highs, there is huge potential for this coin to go much bigger because STX is essentially the leverage play for Bitcoin. People believe, myself included, we could see an over $200,000 price level in the future of this bull market for Bitcoin. If you want to trade STX, you can leverage trade it actually on Blowfin. You can sign up for Blowfin using our link in the description down below. But here's what I want to look at, guys. If you want to trade these things, you can get your own Web3 wallet, right, for Bitcoin, a DeFi wallet. Wallets that I use are Leather Wallet. I also use Xverse. Xverse is my favorite wallet. If you want to check it out for your own, please do your research extensively on this. Do your own research. But Xverse Wallet is very easy to use on your mobile phone. And a couple of the places you can buy some of the Stacks tokens, Stacks itself on DeFi, or if you want to buy some of the tokens within the Stacks ecosystem, like Deco, like Welsh, like some of the other tokens, StackSwap is an option. Alex Labs is an option. And I think one of the most popular options right now, it used to be Alex Labs, but I think one of the most popular places to trade these coins is on Velar. Now, if you want to look at the prices of these tokens, there's a really great website called StatScreener where you can see BRC20 tokens, ordinals, you can see the Stacks tokens. I just like to filter on 7-day volume. So what are the biggest tokens with 7-day volume? Looking at some of these, Welsh has a lot of volume. You obviously Alex token up there. You see Arcadico is one that has quite a bit of volume as well. Nothing token is up here. You're going to see a lot of these coins that are the most popular traded tokens are the ones that potentially could get a pump. Now there's a new meme coin out on this ecosystem, Donald Trump. It's called Tremp. I don't know. We'll see. A lot of hype around that guy for this upcoming election. But you can look through some of these guys and decide what you want to get into for yourself. A lot of these things are meme coins, so there's extreme amounts of risk in meme coins, potentially more reward. But if you're looking for some of the legitimate coins within this space, Stacks is the leading coin really when it comes to L2s. It is the leading L2. It is the token that you pay for gas fees with on the network. Stacks. All these trading pairs are with Stacks. So Stacks is the safest play in the Bitcoin DeFi economy in my opinion. I also think that Stacks is going to outperform Bitcoin as Bitcoin ramps up to this bull market. So I'm looking forward to it, guys. There's a couple of the platforms for you guys to check out. If you're not already following the Stacks Twitter page, you should do so as well. We're not sponsored by Stacks. We're not sponsored by any of these tokens in any of these ways that I'm talking about here in this video, guys. I'm just very bullish on Bitcoin. And if there's a DeFi economy being built on top of Bitcoin, and we're going to see this release come very, very soon. This upgrade is on its way and all these things are coming. This could absolutely be huge. So for the price action, guys, I do think we have some support at this $1.80 level roughly. My next target for the near future is $2.40. I do think that we could see a new high made on Stacks in a hurry above $3.80, which from these current price levels, my friends, is roughly a 100% gain from here, but we're going to need to see Bitcoin break through $70,000 and probably break through the $73 price range. Once that happens, I believe the total market cap can come up, and then we can see Bitcoin start ripping, and the leverage play for Bitcoin, Stacks, it's not truly a leverage play, but it's going to kind of acts like a leverage play where it's going to, if Bitcoin goes up, Stacks should hypothetically go up more. It'll probably go up significantly as well if we can get that move for Bitcoin. So smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. That's all I have for you guys in this one. And I wanted to dive into Stacks a little bit for you guys in depth as it has been a while. I'm bullish on Welsh. I'm bullish on a lot of these memes in that ecosystem, mostly focused on Welsh right now. Looking at maybe some of the other plays as I've got a feeling that we're about to see a big move in the entire Stacks ecosystem. And there's going to be a lot of money made in a lot of these memes and a lot of these real utility tokens in this space. So I'm getting ready for it. That's all I have in this one, guys. Smash a like, subscribe to the channel. DCA, HODL, of course, do your own research. And until the next one, guys, I got 2 videos for you right here. Check them out. Peace all. See you in the next one.